April 2025 brought a shift in rhythm for the Greater Toronto Area real estate market, one that reflects both the usual seasonal pace and the ongoing tug-of-war between buyer hesitation and seller expectations. According to the latest Toronto Regional Real Estate Board Market Watch report, GTA realtors recorded 5,601 home sales in April. That's down 23.3% compared to the same time last year, and a 5.4% drop in the average sale price year over year, now sitting at $1,107,463. Buyers are clearly cautious, waiting on the sidelines for lower borrowing costs, even as more inventory becomes available. New listings rose 8.1% year over year, with over 18,000 homes hitting the market this April. With inflation holding at 2.3% and the Bank of Canada overnight rate steady at 2.8%, many households are holding off, hoping for affordability to improve as rates ease. When it comes to property types, detached homes remain the big-ticket item, averaging over $1.3 million. But they've taken a 5.7% price hit since last year. Townhouses held a bit steadier, dipping only 1.2%, while condo apartments saw the biggest shift, down nearly 10% in price, and 30% fewer units sold. This mix of caution and opportunity is creating a window for prepared buyers, especially those eyeing townhomes or condos, to negotiate better terms than they could last spring. And homes are sitting longer. Average days on market climbed to 31, a 31.6% jump from April 2024. Sellers need to be realistic and strategic. Pricing too high in this climate? That's a fast track to a stale listing. As the GTA market continues to evolve, one thing is clear. This is a data-driven moment. Whether you're buying, selling, or just watching the market, staying informed is your edge. Explore more insights and exclusive market content, only on lifestylevideos.com.